Hello and welcome to Auditel's weekly energy pricing reports on the 29th of January 2018. Last week we saw prices tumbling again for the second time in a row. This time it was essentially due to warmer weather which reduced the demand for gas, and that warmer weather was also effective on the continent, which meant that gas supplies to the UK were very healthy, and we also had very good renewable output in the form of wind, and that filtered through into the curve as well. So across the board we saw prices falling away. The big question is this a trend? Of course, it could well be that prices had reached a fairly high position historically, and that maybe the market is just correcting itself and will be trending downwards. Alternatively, it could be a short-term correction in response to the price spikes we saw before and just after Christmas. You may recall that those price spikes were a result of anxiety over failures in the gas infrastructure. We know that the market is very sensitive to these factors as market speculators weigh in to try and take advantage of fears of gas supply hitting the UK. In reality, the UK has been well supplied for gas throughout the period, so it could well just be the case that this is a correction factor before we can determine if it's actually a full trend downwards. But we'll keep an eye on that. Looking forward, factors that will affect us will continue to be weather over the next month or so as we still see ourselves through the winter quarter. We also need to keep an eye on those oil prices, which are still generally ticking up a little bit as the oil production caps start to bite, and there have been problems in Venezuela where they're having real struggle getting oil out of their wells at the moment. So all in all, it's a bit of a watching brief. We could well be in for a period of declining prices with a bit of luck, but let's just wait to see how the winter period pans out. If you've got any questions about this report or anything else that Auditel can help you with, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.